Virgo, hi, welcome to Cold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the month of May 2020, and yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, abundance, prosperity, love, health, wealth, and success, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. So let's see what is coming for the Virgo people for the month of May 2020. Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Virgo people, please. Virgo, Two of Wands. Okay, so some of you are on a crossroads to make a decision, a right decision, because you are a very logical person as well. Patience right in the middle of your reading, and this is the divine timing. So yeah, this is the time for to make the decision, to move forward in your life, to have new beginnings with the Ace of Cups present here, and to think what is right for you. So just put yourself first so that you can have your wish fulfillment. So yeah guys, beautiful. Okay, in your recent past we have Four of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the Ten of Wands. So some of you have some kind of new beginnings, but the situation was uh, not an easy for you. With this Ten of Wands, there is so much things to do. Only you are putting the work in that situation. Yeah, but also the passion is there, but there was some kind of rejection in the past going on. Okay, in your current energy we have Ten of Cups, Patience, and the Four of Swords. So now you are healing from that kind of heartbreak with the Four of Swords present here, and you are very happy by making yourself a changed person, because you are transforming as well. And that's why universe is alchemically doing some kind of better things, or some kind of great things for you to make your situation better right now, because universe always wants you to be happy, to be in the Ten of Cups energy. So yeah, in your immediate future we have Three of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. So very beautiful, very positive energies are coming for you. There is some new person also coming your way with this Ace of Cups present here, and you will be have your wish granted very soon, because you are doing all the things you want to do and which makes you happy, and you are very loyal with the person surrounding you. Very great, very great and positive energy I'm feeling for you guys. Let's see why is the Two of Wands is here for you. Why is the Two of Wands is here for the Virgo, please? Two of Wands for the Virgo, please. Eight of Cups, King of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. So with the eights present here, here you have moved forward from your past situation, and now you just don't want to look back. With this Two of Wands present here, you want to move forward away from that disharmony, heartbreak. That's why you are working on your pentacles, and now you are very focused, Virgo, to get your self stable, and to have to achieve a very great position in the society. And yeah, that's why you are working on your pentacles right now, very focused, very hardworking, very hardworking. Okay, let's see why is the Patience is here for the Virgo, please. Why is the Patience card is here for the Virgo, please, for the month of May? I'm feeling that you have your wish fulfillment and your prayers are answered now, because Nine of Cups is here, your wish fulfillment card. Transformation, Ten of Swords, wow, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. So yeah, some of you are definitely dealing with the Sagittarius, because this Temperance and the Wheel of Fortune, Jupiter is here. Okay, so universe has selected a very beautiful situation for you guys, Virgo, because you have passed the test of the universe with this transformation, and you are very very spiritually growing now, a very growing person on the spiritual level, and you have ended the past chapter which was not serving you. The person has betrayed you, they have backstabbed you, and yeah, but you have healed from that past experience. You have gone through your dark night of the soul. That's why universe is gifting you your wish fulfillment, the gift you want to achieve in your life. Universe is providing you as a gift. Very beautiful, very very beautiful. I'm feeling very good for you guys. Let's see why the Four of Swords is here. Why is the Four of Swords is here for the Virgo? Temptation, Sun, Eight of Wands. Okay. So yeah, you are healing. You are healing and also healed from a very tough karmic pattern of your life. This must be with your karmic partner and your karmic soulmate, because this is the Devil card of the tarot, and now you are feeling very light, very easy, very happy, because you have learned your lesson and you have done your work. Now the beautiful new things are coming your way. This is also very spiritual card with this Eight of Wands, and you are having some kind of download from the universe with this Eight of Wands present here. And for some of you, your person wants to communicate their feelings towards you. They want to travel towards you with this Eight of Wands present here, and this is also a very fast back and forth communication with your person. And I'm feeling that it is a new person, because this is the Sun, the new day, a very beautiful new day is coming for you. Ace, 9 and 10 of Cups, very very positive, because you are ending some kind of cycles of your life and you have so many beautiful new beginnings right now in the immediate future. Let's see why is the Three of Pentacles is here for the Virgo, please. Three of Pentacles, World card, Nine of Swords, Fool. Yeah, definitely brand new beginnings with the World card and Fool energy present here. And for some of you, the person is living on the other side of the globe, and they definitely have to travel towards you, and you will have a second chance with this person, because they want reconciliation and they want a second opportunity from you to have them in their life, in your life. And they are continuously thinking about you. They can't sleep at night. They are thinking and thinking and thinking about you, and they are making some kind of plans and strategies to have that partnership again, because this is you, them and the universe. So they have seen a very long-term partnership with you. That's why the Saturn is here, because this is also a long-time partnership relation. And yeah, they are seeing this beautiful beginning with you. So let's see why is the Ace of Cups is here, because I just want to know what kind of new person is coming your way, Virgo. Why is the Ace of Cups is here for the Virgo, please? Magician, Two of Swords, Emperor. Okay, the person is very attractive, yeah, because this is Emperor. And Emperor with the Magician is a little bit tough combination, because they want to get you at any cost. Yeah, they want to get you at any cost. If they have to use their tools, the wands, the swords, and cups, and what was the other, pentacle. So they will use their tools the universe has providing them to get your attention. And that's why you are on the crossroads to accept the new person. Or for some of you, the old person wants a brand new beginning within the same connection with you. That's why you are thinking. Let's have an advice for the Virgo, please. Advice from the universe for the Virgo people, please. Page of Swords, Seven of Cups, Judgment. Okay, so Virgos, the universe is telling you that this is the time you have to make your decision right now, because Judgment is the push from the universe. And just clear your mind, take some time alone and think about the situation. Don't be confused, don't be overthinking. Go with your flow and go with your intuition, what you want to achieve in your life. If the situation makes you happy, then go for it, and if it doesn't, then have the trust in the universe and have your new beginnings, because you have to take a leap of faith with this Judgment card. For some of you, it is definitely a past life soulmate coming your way. They want reconciliation. And for some of you, it is a new person, because we have Sun and World and Aces here. So yeah guys, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you, Virgos, and if it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. You can also share it with your family and friends if you find it helpful, and you can give me the suggestions if you want something more on this channel about love readings and tarot cards. So yeah, you can give me suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.